to read today's news headlines. Thank you, Virat brother. You are wonderful news headlines. Mother and motherland are greater than heaven. So I invite